Today, we are going to look at how the wealthy or the rich people build the wealth. I remained Kai of Natwando Production. Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer while most people struggle to make ends meet? It's not by accident. The wealthy follow a set of strategies that anyone can learn, and today, I'm breaking down their top secrets to financial independence may have not known. Stay with me, and let's dive into how you can start building your wealth too. The biggest difference between the rich and everyone else, it's mindset. While most people see money as something to be earned and saved, the rich see it as a tool. A tool to create more money. I have said this many times in my previous videos.
It starts with frustration. The limits seem overwhelming, but the wealthy, they think differently. Instead of asking, what can't I afford, they ask, how can I afford it? This simple shift in mindset changes everything. Images of success, abundance, and opportunity fill their world because they see beyond the limits. The truth is, abundance isn't just about wealth, it's about how you think. Change your mindset, change your future. Imagine waking up in this breathtaking luxury mansion, nestled in a serene environment surrounded by nature's beauty. Every detail, from the modern architecture to the spacious, elegant interiors, exudes sophistication. Step outside, and the tranquility continues with the gentle breeze sweeping over the water. Right beside your mansion, a sleek yacht awaits, ready to take you on your next adventure. This is more than just a home. It's a lifestyle of ultimate luxury and peace.
This year, the rich are doubling down on smart investments. From real estate to technology and even cryptocurrencies, they diversify their portfolios to stay ahead of the game. But here's the secret: they don't just throw their money around. They use a strategy called dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, they're able to weather the ups and downs of the market. Real estate is another cornerstone. The rich invest in properties that appreciate in value while generating passive income. And guess what? You don't need millions to get started. Real estate crowdfunding and REITs, real estate investment trusts, allow anyone to invest in property with minimal capital.
Building wealth isn't about luck, it's about smart choices. Start diversifying your income streams today. Think stocks for growth, rental properties for steady cash flow, online businesses for flexibility, and dividend-paying investments for passive.
The average millionaire has 7 streams of income asterisk. The rich never rely on just one source of money. In 2024, the biggest growth areas are side businesses, passive income from investments, and online ventures. They understand that building wealth means diversifying. Whether it's stocks, rental properties, online businesses, or dividend-paying investments, the key is to create multiple income streams that grow while you sleep.
To build real wealth, think long-term. The wealthy don't chase quick wins. They focus on sustainable growth. They treat money as a tool, not a goal. They invest in assets that generate cash flow and always look for opportunities to reinvest. Instead of spending to impress others, they prioritize financial freedom over lifestyle inflation. The secret? Discipline and patience. Shift your mindset today and start making your money work for you.
From real estate to tech to cryptocurrencies, the rich are doubling down on smart investments. But here's the secret: they don't just throw their money around, they use a strategy called dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, they're able to weather the ups and downs of the market without the risk of betting it all at once. It's not just about riding the highs, it's about managing the lows. That's how they stay ahead and build wealth, one smart investment at a time. The path to success is paved by bold decisions. Today, the wealthy make their move. Luxury cars pull up to a high-end office, and these visionaries stride into the boardroom ready to shape the future. In the world of high finance, money flows into sectors that define tomorrow. Healthcare, technology, energy. These investments don't just generate wealth, they create opportunities that ripple through generations. Every decision matters. Every investment builds a legacy. The future belongs to those who invest today.
Visualize the immense power that comes with diversifying your income sources. Envision yourself seated at a laptop, diligently working on growing your online business and witnessing a continuous flow of money coming in effortlessly. Picture the satisfaction of earning rental income from various properties you've strategically invested in, providing you with a reliable stream of passive income. Additionally, imagine the excitement of receiving dividends from a well-diversified stock portfolio, witnessing your investments grow steadily over time. By cultivating multiple income streams, you can cultivate financial security and freedom, granting you the ability to live the life you've always envisioned. Seize control of your financial future and embark on the journey of establishing multiple income streams today.
By using other people's money, they can invest in assets that appreciate over time and generate cash flow. But here's the catch: they never over-leverage. That's the fine line between using debt smartly and falling into a financial trap. The rich don't just invest in money, they invest in themselves. Lifelong learning is a must. They read books, attend seminars, and stay on top of trends. They manage their time efficiently, and they prioritize what moves the needle.
Ever wondered why the rich seem to get richer? In the next few seconds, you'll uncover one secret they know but many overlook. Not all debt is bad. The wealthy avoid consumer debt like the plague. But they leverage good debt to invest. Good debt helps you make more money. Borrowing to invest in a business is one example. Buying property with a mortgage is another. These investments generate returns. Consumer debt, on the other hand, drains your cash. Credit card debt and personal loans fall in this category. Learn to distinguish between the two. Utilize good debt as a tool for growth. And avoid bad debt to keep your finances healthy.
They also set *specific, measurable goals *. Instead of vague dreams, they break their financial goals down into actionable steps. And they track their progress every step of the way. These are the top wealth-building secrets the rich use to create financial freedom, and now you can use them too. Remember, it's not about luck, it's about strategy. So, what's stopping you from taking that first step?
What if I told you there's a way to grow your wealth using other people's money? By the end of this video, you'll know how to invest smartly without falling into a financial trap. Successful investors leverage other people's money. They invest in assets that appreciate over time. These assets also generate cash flow. But here's the catch: they never over-leverage. Over-leveraging can lead to financial disaster. The key is to find a balance. You should only take on debt that you can manage. This means carefully analyzing your investments. Always have a backup plan. This strategy allows smart use of debt. It minimizes financial risk. So, remember, leverage but never over-leverage. That's how you use debt to build wealth.
The rich don't just invest in money, they invest in themselves. Lifelong learning is essential. They read books to gain knowledge, attend seminars to network and learn. Staying on top of trends is crucial. They manage their time efficiently, prioritize what moves the needle. Investing in personal skills leads to success. A rich mindset seeks continuous improvement. Embrace change and adapt to new ideas. Success is a journey of lifelong learning. The rich cultivate a culture of learning. In the end, knowledge is power.
Billionaires generally fall into two categories: those who create groundbreaking innovations and those who excel at doing something better than anyone else. Reaching billionaire status requires a relentless work ethic and, for many, a lot of patience. They are lifelong learners, often describing themselves as students rather than experts. The key qualities most billionaires share are an unwavering work ethic and a strong determination to keep pushing forward, no matter the obstacles. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your thoughts below. What's the first wealth-building secret you'll apply? See you in the next video.